Hi, it's Nathan here, and today we're talking about safety management systems for professional services. So professional services, basically anything in an office environment, things like engineering, accounting, law firms. The hazards in these types of environment aren't particularly bad, but it can scale with the size of the workplace. So as these companies have more staff, the risk profile obviously increases. In saying that, there are hazards, so things like ergonomics, fatigue management, psychosocial risk management. Often these companies will have to go to their client site, so that could be like a high risk work environment. There could be workplace travel involved. I'll paste a link to a video describing all the core documentation that should be in every safety system. In addition to that, in a professional work environment, things like ergonomics checklists, fatigue management procedures, psychosocial risk assessments, working from home agreements, and working from home checklists can be helpful. So yeah, hope that helps. See you next time.